are all welcome to the labor room of Deen Dayal Upadhyay Hospital. Rani, wife of Ramesh, 30-year-old primary gravida, delivered a healthy baby boy at 39 weeks of period of gestation. Placenta delivered completely and active management of third stage of labor was done.
Oh, the patient is bleeding. Ma'am, please come fast.
Yes, the patient is bleeding. अभी आपको नीचे से ज्यादा खून जा रहा है, आप घबराइएगा मत, लेटे रहिए आराम से और गहरी गहरी सांसें लीजिए. Sister, Dr. Payal, please come fast. Sister, get the PPH toolkit.
It is a teamwork. The team should comprise of skilled obstetrician, trained anesthetist, clinical hematologist and supporting staff.
Dr. Ayushman, you will take the vitals of the patient. Sister, आप patient को drugs और fluids लगाएंगे as per instruction. Dr. Payal, you will record the drugs and fluids being given to the patient.
BP of the patient is 110/70, pulse rate is 94 and SpO2 is 98%.
Sister, patient को 2 कैनुला लगा दीजिए 16 गेज के. Dr. Ayushman, collect samples for blood group, cross match, CBC, LFT, RFT and coagulation profile while I continue to massage the uterus of the patient.
16 gauge IV cannula fixed.
Samples taken.
Sister, patient को fluids connect कर दीजिए.
Rapid infusion of warm fluid is very important. Crystalloids are of choice while awaiting for the compatible blood to come. 1 ml of blood loss should be replaced with at least 3 ml of crystalloid or 1.25 ml of colloids.
Sister, patient को oxytocin start कर दीजिए 20 units through drip at the rate of 40 to 60 drops per minute.
Oxytocin is a first line neurotonic. 20 unit in 500 ml at a rate of 60 drops per minute. A maximum of 3 liter can be given.
Injection oxytocin 20 units drip started.
But ma'am, 10 units of intramuscular oxytocin was already given after delivery.
Yes, Dr. Ayushman, that was for active management of third stage of labor. Now we are actually managing postpartum hemorrhage where 20 units of oxytocin can be given through drip. Sister, patient को सीधा कर दीजिए और blanket उड़ा दीजिए. Dr. Ayushman, connect oxygen to the patient through face mask at the rate of 10 to 15 liters per minute.
आपको ऑक्सीजन लगा रहे हैं, आपसे गहरी सांस लीजिए.
Sister, मेरे को कैथेटर दे दीजिए.
Catheterization is very important to make the uterus contract and to measure the urine output. Rule out 4 T's of PPH, that is tone, tissue, trauma and thrombin.
Catheterization done. Urine of the patient is clear. Sister, एक बार placenta check कर लीजिए complete है या नहीं and give me the tray for exploration of cervix and vagina.
Ma'am, placenta is complete, no cotyledons missing.
Dr. Ayushman, please assist me in the exploration of cervix and vagina. आपको अभी नीचे से औजार डाल के चेक करेंगे. आप आराम से लेटे रहिए, घबराइएगा मत.
Minimum of 3 sponge holder is required for exploration of the cervix.
Cervix and vagina explored for tears. No intact. No tears found.
The coagulation profile of the patient was normal.
The uterus of the patient is still flabby and the patient is still bleeding. Sister, patient को एक methergin injection लगा दीजिए 0.2 mg IV stat.
आपको एक सुई लगाएंगे, थोड़ा सा दर्द होगा.
Always rule out contraindication before giving the methergin like PIH, heart disease, Rh negative pregnancy. And a maximum of 5 doses can be given at an interval of 2 to 4 hours.
Injection methergin given.
Dr. Ayushman, check for the status of the blood and inform the relatives of the patient.
आपके मरीज को डिलीवरी के दौरान ज्यादा खून बह गया है, जिसको हम इंजेक्शन के द्वारा कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. यदि मरीज को ज्यादा खून बह जाता है तो मरीज को ऑपरेशन थिएटर में लेने की जरूरत पड़ सकती है और खून चढ़ाने की जरूरत पड़ सकती है, जिसके लिए आप अपने रिश्तेदारों को बुला लीजिए. आप घबराइए मत, हम पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं. जो भी होगा हम आपको बताएंगे.
The uterus of the patient is still flabby and the patient is still bleeding. Sister, patient को एक कार्बोप्रोस्ट इंजेक्शन लगा दीजिए 250 माइक्रोग्राम IM stat.
आपको एक और सुई लगाएंगे, बस थोड़ा सा दर्द.
Prostaglandin act as a second line neurotonic. Rule out the contraindication like asthma before giving. A maximum of 8 doses can be given at an interval of 10 minutes. But remember, repeat only if it shows some response.
Injection carboprost given.
The blood of the patient has arrived. आप अपने पति का नाम बताइए. रानी, wife of Ranveer. Blood transfusion started after checking for compatibility.
The patient is still bleeding. सिस्टर मुझे 4 टैबलेट मीजोप्रोस्टॉल दे दीजिए so that I can put them per rectally.
Misoprostol can be used as a first line neurotonic in case the oxytocin is not available or not feasible to give, or suppose the bleeding does not respond to oxytocin, ergometrin or prostaglandin.
Tablet misoprostol given.
The bleeding of the patient is under control and the uterus is contracted. सिस्टर एक ट्रेनेसेमिक एसिड लगा दीजिए 1 gram IV stat.
If oxytocin and other neurotonic fail to stop, or if the bleeding is partly due to trauma, Trenexa can be given.
Injection tranexamic acid given.
The uterus of the patient is contracted and the bleeding has stopped. अभी आपको नीचे से खून जाना बंद हो गया है, ऐसा सही लग रहा है, लेकिन 2 घंटे आपको यही रखेंगे और ऑब्जर्व करेंगे.
10/70, pulse rate is 98 and SpO2 is 99%.
Dr. Ayushman informed the relatives of the patient that the patient is stable, though she will be kept here and for under observation for the next 2 hours before she can be shifted to ward.
Monitor the vital of the patient every 10 minutes for at least 2 hours, then half hourly for next 4 to 6 hours. And it is better to initiate surgical management sooner rather than later.
अभी आपके मरीज को नीचे से खून जाना बंद हो गया है. जहाँ तक है अभी उनकी कंडीशन बेहतर है पहले से. अभी उनको 2 घंटा यही लेबर रूम में ऑब्जर्वेशन में रखेंगे. अगर ठीक रहेगा, नीचे से खून नहीं जाता तो वार्ड में शिफ्ट करेंगे. तब तक मरीज हमारे पास